Alright everyone, what's going on? Welcome back today to another video. Today, I'm making a Gordon Ramsay recipe.
Oh, you funk, you dirty pig!
Basically, there's this breakfast thing he does, and it doesn't look too expensive, and it also doesn't look too complicated. So I'm gonna give it a go. It's what it is, it's like hash browns with onion at the bottom of the base. It's like all fried. And you crack some eggs on top, like a bit of seasoning. You get like this ridiculously sugary bacon. So yeah, I just went to Sainsbury's just then, got a few bits and bobs I needed. I already had quite a few of the ingredients. So yeah, it doesn't look too complicated, but these things never end up being as easy as they seem. Because obviously I wanted to choose something that wasn't ridiculously complicated and expensive, but also something that's like a little bit of a challenge, you know. It'll be interesting to see what it's like. Alright guys, smash a like straight away and subscribe if you haven't already. Another lovely day here in London. Absolutely lovely. It's about 25 degrees and this should feed the whole family because it's literally a pan, like a whole pan size like meal. So it's almost like a breakfast pie in a way. Let's give this a go. Alright guys, the problem is most of this is just winging it because I saw how he does it, but I don't know exactly how much of each ingredient he used and how long he cooked things for and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna wing it. I'll peel some potatoes. Already did one just because you never know how long this might take. This is just so annoying to peel potatoes. It's hard to judge how many I actually need, but the potatoes and the onions are actually going to get grated, so. Ding! I think these are baking potatoes, but I think they just work the same. Well, I hope. Just to be safe, I'm going to do one more potato. Put your grated potato in a sieve, because soon we're going to get all the juices out, so apparently it makes the hash brown more juicy. I've already made a right mess, and also turn your oven on. Well, I'm just going to put on 200 degrees. Most things are 200 degrees. It's going to go in after for a little while to cook the egg on top. Alright, now I'm not a massive fan of onions, so I'm just going to do it a little bit. So I'm going to cut it up and also grate it. That's not annoying at all, is it, that sound? I like to cut the ends off. It's easier, isn't it? Alright, last time I tried this, it didn't really work. So, you know what? That doesn't really work. I don't know if it's probably not even supposed to do it like that, but you know what, I'm just gonna finely dice it. You guys didn't see any of that, but it didn't work. Honestly, that's more than enough onion. This chopping board's awful as well. So now this is gonna go into the potatoes. Yep. And then I'm just gonna drain it all out. And then at the same time, I'm gonna turn the pan on. I'm guessing high heat. I don't think he mentioned again, but I'm also gonna put little clips of what he's doing alongside what I'm doing sort of thing, just so it's easier. Hopefully there's no copyright, but. This is when I need butter. I get my butter out and olive oil. Apologies, I still have to drain all this out. I haven't got a big enough sort of sieve for this, but drain it out. The more you drain them out, the crispier they'll be, apparently. Rumour has it. A little bit of juice. And then a little bit of olive oil, tablespoon or two. A little bit of seasoning on that. To be fair, this meal doesn't really need any seasoning, to be honest with you. Get that oil all around. Alright, let's go. Sweet. I think that's enough. To be fair, that's more than enough. Now we just got to squish it all down. So I'm just going to let it cook for like 2-3 minutes and then attempt to flip it. Yeah, I'm going to see if it actually molds at the bottom. I don't know, I might have needed more olive oil or something, but let's see. Alright, let's check the bottom, see how it's doing. Ah shit, I don't know if I did enough oil. Alright, so something I did forget was to put olive oil inside the potatoes and onion whilst they were draining.
Season with salt, pepper, olive oil and cayenne. What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
That's something I actually forgot to do, so that would have helped the potato not stick to the pan as much, but you know, it's mainly the pan's fault, but I'll just let you guys watch. I'm gonna put it back on in a sec. Bit more oil. That's unfortunate. It just did not come off. Alright, but now I need to slide it back on. Oh, there you go. Hopefully this side it just sort of thickens a bit. So basically I've fucked it. Like when I crack the eggs on, it's now going to run around the edges of the pan. I don't know if it's going to help or what, but it's not supposed to be like that. This might actually help, you know, it might actually help form it around the edges. Who knows? And one of the eggs crack, of course they do. So after you flip it, leave it on that side for a few minutes and I'll just put it in the oven, in the pan, so I'm just gonna see how it goes. I don't know, I'm gonna take it out in like 5 minutes. If you see the Gordon Ramsay one, it's just completely different. I don't know, obviously did something wrong, of course that's gonna happen. It's not gonna be perfect, is it? But the egg might be able to save it, because it might actually make it a round shape. All right, now onto the bacon. All right, basically it's gonna be like proper like American style sugary bacon. So basically in the pan, olive oil. I'm just gonna use one of these because I don't want too much sugar in it, you know. Yeah, some sugar, brown sugar, and also some butter. That's gonna caramelize the shit out of the bacon apparently. Also guys, Gordon actually used salt and pepper in the bacon and it'll smoke your bacon, which is just not necessary, but yeah, I didn't put salt or pepper in it. Well, it's alright. I don't know, I probably could have squeezed the hash browns a little bit more, but I don't think that's gonna come out. You know what? That's very unfortunate because like I had to end up flipping it or else it just wouldn't have come out. It's like, it's very annoying. Well, it's probably gonna taste alright, but obviously I just didn't have the correct like pan. He probably had like some professional 100-pound pan or whatever. And this pan's had a bit of use, so I don't know. I was looking at pans today because I was thinking about it. If I had like a brand new pan, would have been alright, but I think honestly, to blame today, boys and girls, is the pan.
Why is he being cheeky?
Alright, let's flip this bacon. Should still taste alright, just presentation is shit. Oh, look at that colour. Oh, it does really smell nice though. Okay, you know what? I mean, for the thumbnail and that, like, obviously I'm gonna put in the title, fail, but it's okay. That's what I mean, like, if I was able to flip it, it'd all be the correct size, like, you know, it's very annoying. Honestly, the pan.
Why?
But you know what? I'm not gonna moan about it too much. Well, you know what? It's alright. It was a good attempt. I'm gonna go upstairs, give this a taste. Alright guys, here it is again. It's a bit unfortunate, man. Like, I pretty much did everything right. I probably could have drained the hash browns, like the potato a bit better. I don't know if it's the correct potato. I don't know if I used too much potato, but honestly, if I had like a brand new pan that was like non-stick, like a stir-fry pan or whatever, I think it would have been a lot better, but I'm not gonna eat all of this because I said to my parents, so yeah, you can have some. I'm gonna have like a quarter. I ended up putting chili flakes on there because I forgot I was supposed to use cayenne. All right, let's try this. I'm gonna try a bit of the hash brown first. Well, yeah, that's a shame. Well, it tastes good, I mean, I didn't... Damn. Never had bacon that nice before, jeez. I don't know, like maybe the potato in the middle isn't as much cooked. No, it is. Oh man, that is nice. Fucking hell.
Dirty pig!
It's like an American breakfast, that is good. Still turned out really a success, to be honest, and it's not too expensive, really. That turned out really good. Like I said, with a lot of things, this is probably, you know, obviously like really, like, probably quite bad for you for a breakfast. Like, if you ate all of this to yourself, that's a massive high-calorie meal, you know? But it's damn tasty. It's actually very nice. I would love to eat all of this, but I can't because I'm watching my belly. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. I probably will, because I do want to improve my cooking skills. You know, like the more I cook, the more I like understand and the more I learn and, you know, just experience really under my belt. And I like doing it. It's quite interesting. I mean, it turned out quite well, just apart from the actual the actual look of it, you know. That's the only thing that came out a bit bad. But you know, I'll blame it on the pan. So yeah guys, give it a go. I'll put this video in the description, not to advertise it, but just in case you guys want to do it. And if you do make it, let me know and just show me how it goes. That'll be really interesting. Apologies about the camera angles and stuff. It was difficult to do it in my kitchen. Like, I don't know, it's a weird kitchen. But yeah, I should get like just a camera person to record me when I do it. That's gonna be a lot easier instead of constantly moving the camera around. But yeah guys, that's it. Leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you later.